Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. In this video, I'm going to do Home Alone movie inspired nail art. So I'm starting off my manicure with base polish. I have already applied base coat. On my pinky, I'm drawing Kevin's hat which he was wearing most of the time in the movie. I'm drawing half circle at the tip of my nail with a beach polish and then pom-pom on top of circle with help of dotting tool. Then I'm detailing the hat with red polish by adding different festive patterns on it. At this point you might hear different background noises because my neighbors love to make noise whenever I plan to do audio recording. Especially my upper floor neighbor, she always makes noise. She loves to do it, I guess. I tried to detail the pom-pom with red and beach strokes, but I messed up the process. Then somehow I fixed it off camera. Then I'm applying this hand-painted sticker of Kevin who is screaming on my middle nail. I drew this sticker on a nail mat first and then applied it on my nail with help of a stamper. I tried to draw the painting process but I couldn't do it on camera. Then I'm drawing Christmas tree on my ring fingernail because Kevin loves Christmas tree and Christmas is incomplete without Christmas tree. So I'm stamping tiny Christmas trees with green polish several times to make it bigger. Then I'm adding white dot on my Christmas tree and then smudging it out by tapping my finger on it. Over white dots I'm adding different colors like yellow, blue, green and many more to resemble lights. I should have used pastel colors here. Lastly, I'm adding a big gold dot at the top of Christmas tree. On my index I'm stamping lights and a spider. Do you remember this spider scene from the movie? Let me know by commenting down below. On my thumb, I'm drawing the house inspired from the movie poster. Home Alone is my favorite festive movie and I know many of you like Home Alone for festive season as well. What other movies do you like to enjoy during festive season? Let me know by commenting down below. Now finally finishing off my manicure with a glossy top coat to make my manicure long lasting and to give it a beautiful shine. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up, share my video with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel to never miss any upload. The weather is getting cold. Make sure to stay warm, stay healthy. Happy holidays everyone. Bye bye.